You move into a new country. Your wishes have come true. But balancing school with part-time work or family obligations might add pressure. It gets worse if you experience financial stress. Getting a job could be your greatest challenge, but it is an essential step in your immigration process. It's the thing you need to make friends, get experience in that country, socialize with people, and adapt to the new life. But how can you get a new job successfully? What you need is a career success plan. Watch this video to get helpful tips on your career success plan. Hi, I'm Behnam from the Visa Library. In this video, you'll get tips on finding a better job when moving to a new country. Before I begin, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. We're coming back with more videos and updates. Are you ready? Let's begin! As the saying says, an idiot with a plan can beat a genius without a plan. Your plan needs to contain 4 factors to be successful. You can develop a career success plan on your own or with others' help. Tip number 1 is picking the right education journey. There are various ways you can develop your skills and knowledge. Post-secondary program or professional development courses. Some require spending money, like university degree, college diploma, continuing education certificates. To be successful, consider the field or type of industry you want to work in. Think of the certificates, training, or professional development courses you need. Then pick them wisely. Researchers discovered that those who found out what path they needed to take were more successful than others who did not. They had higher levels of income and achieved better career success. Pay a visit to LinkedIn or Indeed. Look at the job descriptions you want to work in. Determine what level of education you'll need. You might be able to get it by short-term training. Try to get advice from friends, career coaches, colleagues, or people who work in that area. You need to find out if the university is right for you or not. Tip number 2 is to prioritize your plans for your future job. Try to balance your current part-time job with personal commitments to establish your career success plan. Easier said than done. Skipping immediate pleasure for the training and practices needed for a future job is easy to say, yet essential to get done. But remember, this is what you need in the long term to get a good job. Break your tasks and projects into smaller parts and try to get them done. I ask myself active questions every day. I learned it from Triggers by Marshall Goldsmith, the American executive leadership coach and author. Every day, ask yourself this question: did I do my best to? Fill the gap with whatever plan you have or whatever you want to do. Did I do my best to take one step toward a better job? It helps you to push yourself and take action for a better career. If you tend to procrastinate, watch Tim Urban's TED Talk on procrastination. Get into the mind of a master procrastinator and overcome it. Let's say you don't have a clear mind. What I learned from the book The Art of Thinking Clearly by Ralph Dubelli is helpful here. All you need is a notebook and a pencil. Write the things you're gonna have to do. It will clear your mind and encourage you to do them. Remember, it's what science proved to work out. It gets called the Zeigarnik effect and you'll get rid of it. If you still can't get to the plan, you could set public deadlines for friends and family. You'll tell a few of your friends that you will finish this course by a certain time. Now you're far more dedicated to doing it to prevent public embarrassment. As Tim Urban says, let's awaken the panic monster. Tip number 3 is to get help from technology. You're living in the right moment to take advantage of technology for your good. The pros are far more than the cons. Career planning tools and mobile apps are commonly more than ever. Use LinkedIn to build a large connection with people in your community. See what others are doing and try to keep up with them. The Glassdoor website helps you get familiar with job positions. It will tell you what companies and employers are looking for in their future staff. You can find out what former and current employees are saying about the company, jobs, and CEOs to make the best decision. Let's say you want to find, compare, and explore potential career options. In this case, CFNC Career Exploration Tools is what you're gonna looking for. CNFC assists you in discovering what's available in different industries. You can also take career assessments and save the results in your dashboard. Now is the time to apply. Your qualifications and skills are great, but not if you can present them well to the employers. You'll need a well-established resume. Canva is a free resume builder. It's a wonderful way to build a resume that looks good and stands out for all the right good reasons. Choose from their collection of templates and customize them to meet your needs. You can save your resume as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG file and print it at home to save you time and money. But what if there are mistakes with grammar and spelling in your resume? It would be a shame to write a resume with such errors. Nothing makes a hiring manager skip your application like making careless mistakes. It shows that you don't take the company or its position seriously. To solve this, you need Grammarly. It can help you put your best foot forward on writing resumes, applications, cover letters, and whatever you write. Your writing will be perfect. Now that you have the resume, you might need a tool to search for the particular job position. Indeed, Monster, FlexJobs, Ladders, AngelList, GetWork. These are some of the platforms you can look for a job you want. You can search for jobs based on specific skill sets that align with your education and training. Tip number 4 is to have a clear financial plan. Finding out how to finance your career plan is essential. You can say it's as important as the plan. Without financial support or resources, there are no education or professional development courses. This is why it's essential to develop your financial plan besides your career success plan. Your financial plan needs to consist of 3 items. 1. Sources, where the money will come from. 2. Goals, how you're gonna spend the money. 3. Timing, when you should spend the money. There are some free financial planning templates you can develop. Google Sheet is one of the free tools right on the corner of your Chrome browsers. Alright then, this is the Visa Library tips for your career success plan. If you have questions, write them down in the comment section. We'll get to them ASAP. Before you leave, ensure to like this video and hit the bell. We're coming back with more videos and updates about visas. Stay tuned. Thank you all for watching.